Hello, welcome to Unit 4, Lessons 10, Cool Down. In this cool down, it says, at dinner, the meal cost $22 and the sales tax $1.87 was added to the bill. First question asks us to find the tax rate for the meals in this city. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize our old versus new strategy. So if the old is the 100%, we don't know the new amount. We do know that the original was $22 and that the sales tax was $1.87. So I'm going to figure out my constant of proportionality. So I'm going to do $1.87 divided by 22, which is 0.085. So I know I am multiplying by 0.085. So 100 times 0.085 is equal to 8.5. So I know the tax rate is 8.5%. Question 2 says, how much would the sales tax be on a $66 meal? So there's a couple of different ways that you can solve this. Maybe you recognize that to go from 22 to 66, you just multiplied by 3. So in reality, you could do the same thing for the sales tax. You could just do $1.87 times 3, which is $5.61. So that's one way of doing it. But let's say you utilize our table instead. Let's go ahead and do that and see what that would look like. So we have our old versus new. So again, our 100% is old. We already know the new is 8.5%. And we just need to figure out what we have to multiply by. Oh, actually, we already know what we have to multiply by, which is 0.085. So I'm going to do 66 times 0.085, which is still $5.61. So you could have used either method. If you recognize the first one, kudos to you. That's a great recognition. Otherwise, you can always rely on the good old table. That's it for this cool down. Thanks for watching.